Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர் என்னன்னா எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. Introduction. We use electricity in our day-to-day life. Have we ever wondered from where do we get this electricity? How does this electricity work? Can we imagine a day without electricity? If you ask your grandfather, you can come to know a period without electricity. They used oil lamps for light, cooked on fires of food or coal. அந்த காலத்துலலாம் வந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி கிடையாது, அதனால் அவங்க ஆயில் விளக்கு அப்புறம் உட்டில் தான் சமைப்பாங்க. பை தி அட்வென்ட் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி our day-to-day works are made easy. When the world is on our hands. What are the appliances those works on electricity? What are the materials those allow electricity to flow through? What are electric circuits? What are electric cells and batteries? Come on, let us descend into this lesson to know more about electricity. Sources of electricity. என்னென்ன சோர்ஸஸ்லேருந்து நமக்கு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி கிடைக்கிறது? ஹைடல் பவர் ஸ்டேஷன்ஸ், சோலார் செல்ஸ், விண்ட்மில்ஸ், ஆட்டோமிக் பவர் ஸ்டேஷன் அண்ட் தெர்மல் பவர் ஸ்டேஷன். Any device from which electricity is produced is called the source of electricity. We get electricity from different sources. The major electric power station in Tamil Nadu are thermal power stations. Neyveli in Kudalur district, Ennur in Tiruvallur districts. Hydel power stations, Mettur in Salem districts, Papanasam in Tirunelveli district. Atomic power stations, Kalpakkam in Kanjipuram district, Kudangulam in Tirunelveli district. And windmills, Aralvaimozhi in Kanyakumari district, Kayatharu in Tirunelveli district. Apart from the solar panels which are prevalent in many places are used to produce electricity. Thermal power station. In thermal power stations, the thermal energy generated by burning coal, nilakari, diesel or gas is used to produce steam. The steam thus produced is used to rotate the turbine. While the turbine rotates, the coil of wire kept between the electromagnet rotates. Due to electromagnetic induction, electricity is produced. Here, heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Hydel power stations. In hydel power stations, the turbine is made to rotate by the flow of water from dams to produce electricity. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Hydel stations have long economic lives and low operating cost. ஹைடல் பவர் ஸ்டேஷனில் எந்த எனர்ஜி எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு கேட்பாங்க. அது கைனெட்டிக் எனர்ஜி. Atomic power stations. In atomic power stations, nuclear energy is used to boil water. The steam thus produced is used to rotate the turbine. As a result, electricity is produced. Atomic power stations are also called as nuclear power stations. Here, nuclear energy is converted into mechanical energy and then electrical energy. இங்கே nuclear energy is converted into mechanical energy and then only electrical energy convert ஆகுது. Windmills. In windmills, wind energy is used to rotate the turbine to produce electricity. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Cell. A cell that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. A chemical solution which produces positive and negative ions is used as electrolyte. Two different metal plates are inserted into electrolyte as electrodes to form a cell. Due to chemical reaction, one electrode gets positive charge and the other gets negative charge, producing a continuous flow of electric current. Depending on the continuity of flow of electric current, cells are classified into two types. They are primary cells and secondary cells. Primary cells. They cannot be recharged, so they can be used only once. Hence, the primary cells are usually produced in small size. Example, cell used in clocks. Clocks use பண்றது watches and toys are primary cells. Secondary cells. A cells that can be recharged many times is called secondary cells. These cells can be recharged by passing electric current, so they can be used again and again. The size of the secondary cells can be small or even large depending upon the usage. While secondary cells used in mobiles are in the size of a hand. A cell used in automobiles like cars and buses are large and very heavy. Example: secondary cells are used in mobile phones, laptops, emergency lamps, and vehicle batteries. Battery. Often we catch cells as batteries. However, only when two or more cells are combined together they make a battery. A cell is a single unit that converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and a battery is a collection of cells. What is meant by battery? Battery is a collection of cells. Electric circuits. An electric circuit is a continuous or unbroken closed path along with electrical current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. A circuit generally has inside view of torch, bulb turned off, circuit breaks cap, sliding switch off. A cell or battery, a source of electric current, connecting wires for carrying current. A bulb, a device that consumes the electricity. A key or a switch. This may be connected anywhere along with the circuits to stop or allow the flow of current. Closed circuit. In a circuit, if the key is in open off condition, then electricity will not flow and the circuit is called as open circuit. The bulb will not glow in this circuit. பல்ப் இதை ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டோன்னா இது பல்ப் ஒர்க் ஆகாது. Closed circuit. In a circuit, if the key is in closed condition, then electricity will flow and the circuit is called as a closed circuit. A bulb will glow in this circuit. Switch on பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தா பல்ப் எரியுது, அது பேர் தான் closed circuit. Types of circuit. Simple circuit, series circuit, parallel circuits. Simple circuit. A circuit consists of a cell, key, bulb and connecting wires is called a simple circuit. Series circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in series in a circuit, then the type of circuit is called a series circuit. If any one of the bulbs is damaged or disconnected, the entire circuit will not work. Parallel circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in parallel in a circuit, then that type of circuit is called as parallel circuit. If any one of the bulb is damaged or disconnected, the other part of the circuit will work. So parallel circuits are used in homes. Symbols of electric components. In the circuits discussed above, we use the figure of electric components. Using electric components in complicated circuits is difficult, so symbols of the components are used instead of figures. If the symbols used in electric circuits, even complicated circuits can be easily understood. The flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current. Simple circuit, series circuit and parallel circuit. Primary cell. Primary cells can be used only once. Secondary cells. Secondary cells can be recharged by passing current and used again and again. Connecting wire. Connecting wires are made up of conductors and converted in with insulators. Electric component, figure, symbol and remarks. Electric cell. Cell. அதோட symbol. Longer terminal refers positive and shorter terminal refers negative. Battery. Battery picture. Two or more cells connected in series. Switch open. Open. Switch is on off position. Switch closed. Closed. Switch is on position. Electric bulb. The bulb does not glow. The bulb glows. Connecting wires used to connect devices. Electrical is a kind of fish which is able to produce electric current. A fish can produce an electric shock to safeguard itself from animals and also to catch its food. Ammeter is an instrument used in electric circuits to find the quantity of current flowing through the circuit. This is to be connected in series. Conductors and insulators. Conductors. The rate of flow of electric charges in a circuit is called electric current. The materials which allows electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. Example: copper, iron, aluminium, impure water, earth, etc. Insulators. The materials which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulators or non-conductors. Example: plastic, glass, wood, rubber, china clay, ebonite, etc. More to know. Thomas Alva Edison, February 11, 1847 to October 18, 1931, was an American inventor. He invented more than 1,000 useful inventions, and most of them are electrical appliances used in homes. He is remembered for the invention of electric bulb. Points to remember. Any device from which electricity is produced is called the source of electricity. There are many sources of electricity such as thermal power stations, hydroelectric power stations, windmills, atomic power station, etc. Device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. Electric cells are of two types depending on the continuity flow of electric current. Primary cell is a cell that is designed to be used once and discarded. A cell that can be recharged many times is called secondary cell. Two or more cells combine together to make a battery. An electric circuit is a combination of cells, key, bulb and connecting wires arranged in a proper manner. A circuit consists of a cell, key, bulb and connecting wires is called a simple circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in series in a circuit, then that type of circuit is called series circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in a parallel in a circuit, then that type of circuit is called parallel circuit. Symbols of electric components are used to represent complicated circuits in simple way. The materials which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. The materials which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulators or non-conductors. Thank you.